Hello, and thank you all for tuning in today to our live broadcast for October 3rd, 2025. I'm Allison Wallace. When I was a senior in high school, I came to Lynn with my mom, and I found out that iPulse was a thing, and I met Martin Phillips, who's in charge of it, and he just kind of threw it to me and pitched it to me, and he's like, you should join, like I could so see you doing this. And that was the reason that I came to Lynn, was for the iPulse program. Without iPulse, like I wouldn't be where I am today. It's giving me so many opportunities. I've met so many people, and with our live broadcasts that we have every Friday, it's just hands-on experience. iPulse has given me confidence, and it's given me more skills in my field that I wouldn't have gotten if I didn't join iPulse in the very beginning. Now, the number of people missing after devastating floods in Texas is going down. My internship was incredible. I made it my goal to get it, and I contacted the station a lot. What I would do is I would send him my work that I did here at Lynn. So Lynn helped me prep to get that. I went live on TV with them one day for National Intern Day.
She's a senior at Lynn University, an intern in our news department. Let's talk about your hometown and how you got here.
Hi, so I'm Allison, and I live in Tampa, but I grew up in California. Anytime that a reporter would go out and film a stand-up, they're like, okay, your turn. Like, they throw you in the fire. So because of Lynn, I had that work to show them and show them again and again and again until they said yes and finally took me. Lynn gives us the tools that we need to work and to learn and to get better, like all the cameras, the mics, the equipment, the people who know how to edit. Like, with all those tools, that's how we learn to get better, and that's how I gained my experience. Thank you so much for tuning in to our live broadcast.